it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with the Vendetta boss, the man himself, Alkaline, with a video called Feel Like God. So the boss say him feel like God. No, mind, don't get it twisted. Him never say my God, him say him feel like God. So all of the Christian them in the comment section, we are going to tell me about how he compare himself to God. No, he never do that. Him say him feel like God. Alright? So we're going to jump to the one and hear what the G have to say, of course. Pull up! Yo! Of course. Right. Happy Friday, by the way. Vendetta fans them in the comment section. Nothing else. So we can jump to the one and hear what the G have say. Let's go!
I said I go, I achieve it. So let me ask you. Yeah.
This is drill. So what Alkaline started now? Dancehall drill? Cause this beat is a drill beat. If you don't know about drill beat, this beat is a drill beat. So Alkaline start the drill now. Alright. It's worth noticing as well. Me mentioned that the 1st of February, now the 1st of March, and Alkaline drop a song every month. Every first of the month, Alkaline drop a song. Like that is a staple so far for 2024. I'm doing it in January, February, now we in March. Expect one every month. Every month. Expect one. Expect Alkaline.
I said I go, I achieve it. So let me ask you. Yeah.
Whoa, okay. Let's analyze. Let's go.
I will say
Alkaline floor. Let's go now.
I will say better when I dead young. But don't know come like bread comes. But the leave here till the feds come. I will say better when I dead young. But don't know come like bread comes. But the leave here till the feds come. Can't step to make your bleed up and tape down.
Take notes, guys. Take notes of what he's doing here. Take notes of how Alkaline are dealing with that drill beat here. Take notes of the versatility. Take note of what this guy is doing. Take notes, guys. Just take notes.
I will say better when I dead young. But don't know come like bread comes. But the leave here till the feds come. Can't step to make your bleed up and tape down. What a scholar you mean that mark at the 9 bar boss for you feel like that.
School, you feel like that, and that was supposed to be like that. What?
We say better when I dead young. But don't know come like bread comes. But the leave here till the feds come. Can't step to make your bleed up and tape down. What a scholar you mean that mark at the 9 bar boss for you feel like that. Bullets stop pull up in that clan, but you stop on the ground can't move ya not. Me like God, feel like God. We slaughter them, you know me a trap. Strip down your babe, she want me take charge. We go start up the car, them out, them I not.
Hold on.
Pull up! Yo!
Hold on, man. Let's hold on, man.
I said I go, I achieve it. So let me ask you. Yeah. Dark out, red, my gun, my enemy, bro. PH, go and circle him, I say a thing on me. I will say better when I dead young. But don't know come like bread comes. But the leave here till the feds come. Can't step to make your bleed up and tape down. What a scholar you mean that mark at the 9 bar boss for you feel like that. Bullets stop pull up in that clan, but you stop on the ground can't move ya not. Me like God, feel like God. We slaughter them, you know me a trap. Strip down your
that one is vicious. That like the reason why me keep on stopping and going back at the video me I look pan in the dog. At the video me I watch you go on at the video in the dog. Like when I watch the movie don't watch a series Dexter. I think it's off on Netflix now. It's not on Netflix. So basically, Dexter is a serial killer that's killing serial killers, and him we put like some plastic in the room because by day he's a forensic detective. He's a blood splatter analyst. So him go up on the crime scene then where him commit at night and splatter the blood and try to catch the killer, which we know he's not doing that. So that scene there remind me of this. This is why I keep doing this, bro.
Can't step to make your feet up in tape down. War a skull or you mean that mark at the 9 bar boss where you feel like that. Bullets stop pull up in that clan, but you stuck on the ground can't move ya not. Me like good, feel like that. We slap.
Cause the person where did the slaughter in, I'm not sure if Alkaline the suit, it could be, but that person there I mince up body in a dog. Like I mince up body figure dispose.
Stop pull up in that clan, but you stuck on the ground can't move ya not. Me like good. Feel like that, we slaughter them, you know me a trap. Strip down your babe, she want me to charge. We go start up, he carry them out, they might not. Catch me first before my meds get chips. Yeah, head for boss, my love, he put out it.
What?
Start up, he carry them out, they might not. Catch me first before my meds get chips. Yeah.
Catch me first before meds get chip. Love.
Head for boss, my love, he put out it. Fresh till man at the match outfit. Miss I want to kill for now for the simplest. If she want me to charge, we go start up, he carry them out, they might not. Catch me first before my meds get chips. Yeah, head for boss, my love, he put out it. Fresh till man at the match outfit. Miss I want to kill for now for the simplest.
Fresh till that man at the match outfit.
If she want me to charge, we go start up, he carry them out, they might not. Catch me first before my meds get chips. Yeah, head for boss, my love, he put out it. Fresh till man at the match outfit. Miss I want to kill for now for the simplest. Not just evil man violence.
Mr. Bartley kill friend. I'm saying kill friend.
Fresh till man at the match outfit. Miss I want to kill for now for the simplest.
Mr. Bartley kill friend. Obviously, in name Erland Bartley. Must say Mr. Bartley kill friend for the simplest thing, dog.
Head for boss, my love, he put out it. Fresh till man at the match outfit. Mr. Bartley kill for now for the simplest. Not just evil man violence. Connect cable and wireless.
Not just evil man. What? Yo! Connect cable and wireless. Yo.
Kill for now for the simplest.
Alright.
Not just evil man violence. Connect cable and wireless. Them don't know man I grimes. Don't try and crop, you're going down, yes. Tough up with the 40, keep musty Karachi, broke up, chop a crackery.
Bombo clot. Legal about the legal over here. What's a shot for that one there? Wait, no man.
Man violence. Connect cable and wireless. Them don't know man I grimes. Don't try and crop, you're going down, yes. Tough up with the 40, keep musty Karachi, broke up, chop a crackery. Can't see a claffy, no and no lifts, me shut off, me chop off it.
No and no lifts, me shut off, your chop off it. Which one you rather? Me no mind. Either one of them, me can do it. Yo, wait.
Karachi broke up, chop a crackery. Can't see a claffy, no and no lifts, me shut off, me chop off it. Me bad this no comic and no archie. It up fly like Kabasi.
In bad this and a cartoon, in bad this no comical, in bad this and a comedy. Head top fly like Kavasi. When the papa back Kavasi is fly? No.
No lifts, me shut off, me chop off it. Me bad this no comic and no archie. It up fly like Kavasi. Skin bone up, mother spotty, shoot them like paparazzi. Crime rate we call.
Skin bone up, mother spotty. Skin bone up, mother. Comment section. Which party are the body spotty? Tasties are mothers. Are juicy. Which one?
Can't see a claffy, no and no lifts, me shut off, me chop off it. Me bad this no comic and no archie. It up fly like Kavasi. Skin bone up, mother spotty, shoot them like paparazzi. Crime rate we call it.
Shoot them like paparazzi. Don't think of the shot you get in. No, of the yeah, paparazzi
style. Can't see a claffy, no and no lifts, me shut off, me chop off it. Me bad this no comic and no archie. It up fly like Kavasi. Skin bone up, mother spotty, shoot them like paparazzi. Crime rate we call it. Everybody was on so pay and fool them, get them out here, man. Press that's it.
Okay, why are you behaving like this? Why are you behaving like this? Why are you doing all this extra stuff? Why are you doing this? Like, why are you doing this to us? Why are you doing this to us? Enough here. Like, you're not for your guansa, brother.
Me bad this no comic and no archie. It up fly like Kavasi. Skin bone up, mother spotty, shoot them like paparazzi. Crime rate we call it. Everybody was on so pay and fool them, get them out here, man. Press that's it. Lie them at never make a one full of dust. Who got shush that less than quick.
This way, man. Look where man having I'm on, brother. Yo.
Get them out here, man. Press that's it. Lie them at never make a one full of dust. Who got shush that less than quick. Them a take cover and I get blanket. None of them can't taste better than shit.
Them a take cover and I get blanket. None of them can test vendetta than ship. Matter say yo, them can't test a G.
Book a shush that less than quick. Them a take cover and I get blanket. None of them can test better than shit. Body run stink like a cesspool tip. Ready figure got stem out tree can fit. Brother infant and sister up on the spot. Rub up in a gravel, there's a boy a drive.
Anywhere at all, brother. Miggle there, pan the taxi stand, pan the spot. Anywhere, dog. Miggle there. Blah! Brawling.
Up in a grab, brother infant and sister up on the spot. Rub up in a gravel, there's a boy a drive. Anything and anything, we tell you that. Them dog their shit so, kitty them a piss through.
Them dog ya shit so. Titty them a piss through.
Dog their shit so, kitty them a piss through.
Oh, kitty them a piss through. Oh, kitty them a piss through. Them dog ya shit so, kitty them a piss through. Pussy them a piss. Pussy them a piss through him say. Yeah. Them a girl. Like them a bitches.
Rub up in a gravel, there's a boy a drive. Anything and anything, we tell you that. Them dog their shit so, kitty them a piss through. Dark out, red my gun, I'm on any bird. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, circle I see it when I'm ready. I always say better when I dead young. Put up no crumble like breadcrumbs. Body lay up till the feds come, can't step through, we make your bleed, that be tape down. Oh, them a need it. Them a need it. Hey.
The video graphic, the video grimy, the lyrics them grimy as always. Alkaline well want make a dopey for 2024. Alkaline a drop song on top of song. Every first of the month does expect to get an Alkaline song. Alkaline a drop song on top of song, on top of song. Him well want make a dopey. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this song. Give me your honest opinion on it. Alkaline, let me say, at the start, him gone in the drill beat section, and they, you know, see at the rapper them drill beat style that are the UK grime scene, UK drill scene and them thing there. So Alkaline they on a drill beat, I rough it up as always. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.